Just want you guys to see what the dairy is looking like in Walmart. Lots of empty spaces here, as you can see. Lots and lots of empty spaces throughout the freezer. Whole lot of empties here. Excuse me. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. And I'm just going to do a quick scan here of what I purchased at Walmart this morning. And I did see some empty shelves. The eggs looked pretty good, but the pasta has taken a hit. So the dairy section was pretty slim as well. But I'm just going to show you what I have here. And guys, please remember to like, share, follow, tap the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. And please watch my videos all the way through. I try to make them short because I realize that you may have other creators that you want to get around to. So I try to keep mine as short as possible. Okay, I have more paper towel. And you saw earlier in the week I hauled paper towel and toilet tissue. But that aisle looked very slim. Lots of missing paper and styrofoam plates and cups and all of that. I mean, it was really scarce with the paper goods. So I thought I better get the paper goods while I can. And here I have, let's see, some cranberry apple juice, cranberry juice, hamburger buns, and I have some vegetarian bush baked beans, and they're really good, and you can put whatever you want to add to them. I bought some bread and butter pickles and manwich and some more barbecue sauce, and I got these potato packs, the buttery home style, $1 a pack, and I got the kidney beans, and these beans, this brand, Camellia, is the brand that I grew up on, and it is the best brand ever for your beans. I'm telling you, try them, and you will never try another brand after. Okay, I like these tiny field peas with snaps, and I usually, as my mom say, fix them up, put seasonings in them and meat, and they're good. I used to fix these for my children when they were growing up. It was a quick meal, you know, and then I would cook rice and put meat in them and just really fix them up. I bought me a little snack, a little bag of potato chips, and some sausage, turkey sausage, some okra, and let's see, I'm trying to tell you everything and show you everything. I bought some eye drops, and these are the ones that my doctor recommends. They're for allergies and stuff. So I got these, a twin pack, and they were like $22 and some cents, but hey, I had to have them. And I bought some isopropyl alcohol, some hydrogen peroxide, and I like to use these little alcohol preps, swabs, whatever. I got those. And let's see, I like this butter, Smart Balance. I use that a lot. Got that. And some milk. And I had to get some more Gatorade. And I got 1 dozen of eggs. And let's see, I think I've scanned everything that I purchased today. And I thought I had my ticket right here in hand. I don't. but I remember I spent $133 and some cents on these things that you see here. And let me tell you something about these cans. I'm going to use these pretty quickly. The Pop Top cans will compromise your food, the safety of your food. You don't want to get food poisoning. You know, with these, they're easy to, you know, knock undone, and it could compromise your food. So I really rather have the tops like this, you know, that you have to use the can opener for. Yes, I buy the ones mostly that you use the can openers with. And this is it, guys. And please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. And please don't forget to give that thumbs up. And I'm asking that you watch my videos all the way through, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your loyalty and your support of my channel, because I really can't do this without you guys. So thank you, and have a great Sunday afternoon, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye now.